Welcome to the 6th Annual GPCA Forum here in Dubai. I'm talking with Saleh Al-Nazha, President and Chief Operating Officer of Tasnee. Mr. Al-Nazha, we've been talking a lot about downstream development here today, but Tasnee is a past expert in this field.
Well, let me start with saying that Tasnee originally is a downstream company. And Tasnee has the uniqueness of being a downstream company that start going backward into back integration into the base resin and the primary industry. So we started in 1985 with many downstream industries in the plastic conversion, in the car manufacturing, in the car batteries manufacturing and manufacturing of their cases. So we are actually in the downstream. Now, when we back integrate into the primary industry, we start really having the capability of really serving this industry more, because I think there is a cultural issue on how to run a downstream industry and how to run a primary industry, because they cannot be the same and they cannot be dealt on the same way, because you're handling a low margin industry against a really good margin industry. So we have the kind of ability to really deal with those, and therefore we have really very good advantages. Well, alhamdulillah, we are using this advantage to grow our downstream industry.
Could you describe some of the developments you have underway at present?
Well, we, as I mentioned, we started as Tasnee. We have in the plastic business, for example, we have we were one of the largest and first polycarbonate sheet manufacturer in Saudi Arabia. We used, and I mean, until recently, import polycarbonate resin from outside the country. Now it's available through SABIC manufacturing, so we'll be able to really use this also to supply our manufacturing of the polycarbonate resin. We are having one plant to manufacture geomembrane polyethylene film, which is used for the agriculture's dams and lakes covering, and also for the environment to prevent chemicals sweeping to the soil. We are also building or started up recently a BOPP line, which manufacture BOPP plastic. We are in the process of development of some downstream industry on other locations, which are depending on our polyethylene and polypropylene grades that we are manufacturing in Tasnee. We also care about this as much, where we do have also a technical center, which is dedicated for the research on applications, which is really supporting our downstream business and our downstream customers as well, being a supplier of the resin. And this technical center is in Jubail. It has a lot of semi-commercial units, whether it's an injection molding machine, blown film machine. We even have a pipe extruder in that area, and it does a lot of research on our product, and it has a specific unit dedicated for the pipe services. As you know, we are the first people in the primary industry who brought the black polyethylene BE100 to the kingdom, and we associated this along with the service of providing the testing. We're working also on a unit to really train the contractors on an installation. So all of these are really making the downstream business to be well served, and we're using ourselves as an example for that, which is using the knowledge and the information we have from our own downstream to serve our customers and transfer this knowledge to our customer as well.
Well, obviously technology is going to play an important role in this downstream development. Can you comment on that?
I think this is really very important. When we talk about, for example, as I told you, we are in the polycarbonate business, and as you know, the polycarbonate is really could be utilized for the substitute of a glass and what have you. So this is really a very good sophisticated material. Our team is working on really producing good quality sheets with nice patterns and things that are well accepted by the people, utilizing the new resin and new modified technologies with that. The pipe, plastic pipe, for the usage of all our water network, sewage, is new to the country. And we consider this as a new technology. And when we wanted to build our polyethylene plant, we made sure that we bring technologies that will have an immediate benefit to Saudi Arabia, and the pipe grade is one of these things.
Now, Tasnee was a founder member of GPCA when it was set up. Could you say why you joined that and what the benefits have been and how you see it developing?
Exactly. As was mentioned by the chairman of GPCA, Engineer Mohammed Al-Maadi, we are one of the 6 founders of this, and actually our CEO is the vice chairman of GPCA board today. We believe over the last 6 years, we were able to see how much advantageous to really have a network, to have a lot of people come in to our region and be able to spend like 2 or 3 days. If you look at the conference, it's actually today and half of tomorrow, but we've been here since last Saturday, and we've been having a lot of meetings with customers, suppliers, technology, and really to allow the South and Gulf industry to have these opportunities of having all of these people around who really can benefit from what we are doing, and we can benefit from what they're doing. I think this is really tremendous. And it is really growing really phenomenally, as you heard. In the first GPCA, there was only about 400 people. Today, we're talking about 1,500. So I think it's really very good.
Okay, thank you very much for talking to us.
Thank you.